Right, team, thank you for joining me this morning to talk about Connexun demos and Connexun's website. I will kick off the meeting by introducing the team members today with me at this webinar. I'll start off by introducing Nikhil and Payal Agarwal, founders of Connexun.
Ciao.
Hi.
I will then introduce Andri, data scientist at Connexun.
Hello.
Roberto, web developer.
Morning, everyone.
Divas, software developer at Connexun.
Hello.
And Ravindra, software developer at Connexun.
Hello.
All right, thank you all for being here. My name is Aldo Visibelli and I'm a business developer at Connexun. Before we take a look at the demos, Nikhil and Payal, I would like to ask you, when and why was Connexun founded, and what is the value proposition of Connexun?
Aldo, as we have spoken many times before, let me tell the world what Connexun was founded in 2013. There was, before Connexun, the project was India-Italy 360, indeed 360. It was to connect Indians in Italy and Italians in India with the news. There did not exist any news aggregator before. So we said that, why not? We were a marginalized community. We were minorities in some sense. And me and Payal, we went to University of Milano Bicocca, commissioned them a project, and we said that, please build us a semantic engine where we can aggregate thousands, if not millions of news between India and Italy. The project was very successful. Thanks to the Department of Informatics and Statistics of Bicocca. And the next step, we said that if we can do it for India, Italy, why not do it for the whole world? So that's how Connexun was founded. And just to add to it, we did not stop over there. We built the team, we hired software developers, we hired data scientists like Andri joined the team, and we were able to build our own proprietary crawler, web scraper, and also our text classifier. The value proposition lies in a way that there is over bombardment of news and information on the web, and to go and it is humanly impossible in today's world. So we said that we needed a technology, we needed an automated technology, and we did not want it to rely on very simple methods. So Andri built up this system with the help of our software developers, our backend developers, to aggregate and classify news in real time.
Perfect. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you for the brief history. I would now move on to ask Andri another question. Andri, could you please show us how the demos work and show us the output of our news API, if you can, and don't mind sharing maybe your screen?
Okay, thank you, Aldo. Firstly, I would like to say about motivation of our work. World Media produced thousands of news hourly in various languages from different countries, and to manage such unstructured data, news application programming interface were developed to enable for end user to retrieve events, topic, entities, and other useful informations from the world media news. Behind News API, there is a lot of machine learning with supervised and unsupervised learning, natural language processing, and a lot of training samples are needed, and application of a lot of mathematics. Let me share my screen with you. And I want to show you about Connexun API. It could be split on two parts. News API, which is based on daily feed from our crawler, and text analysis API, where user can input own text or URL to process using our NLP tools. Core of News API is about 30,000 world news crawled daily in various languages from all countries, and we cluster them between different languages. And for clustering, we use both text of news and images of news articles. For example, world trending news shows the most important news at the moment, and importance of a given topic consists with a number of unique sources in the cluster, a number of unique countries, number of unique publishing countries, and a number of unique languages in a given cluster. And for example, now coronavirus is topic number 1, and also here you can see the related news to a given topic, also in different languages. We extract keywords, entities, and other useful information for end user. Also, we are doing sentiment analysis. What is its positive, negative, or neutral news? Other endpoint is inter-country news, where you can choose publishing country and country which are mentioned in a given news, and you can retrieve news from one country about other country, and it gives you feedback what is a media interest between any two countries of the world. Also, it has a lot of useful applications. Top from news show you the most important topics from one country about the rest of world. In given case, it's from Italy about the rest of world. Let me show you a topic search endpoint, where you can put here some name or surname. Let's try TikTok brand, and you will get the most relevant news to this topic with TikTok. Here you can see a lot of news about it. Next, for example, you can put the surname Conte, Prime Minister of Italy, and you will see also the most relevant news about Conte. So it's very useful endpoint for research and for other applications. Second part of our products is text analysis API. Very interesting is summarizer. For it, we applied text rank algorithm to extract the most important sentences in news. Plus, it was used information about position of a given sentence and its size. We trained it on the thousands of human written summary, and this combined algorithm was developed especially to process news articles. For example, you can put here some text or URL and get 2 or 3 sentence summary. And the user should not waste time to read full news, just reading the most important sentences from from news will be enough to understand what is the main topic, what is the main information there.
And Andri, this works, summarization works for all languages, right?
Yeah, it works for all languages since structure of news are common for all languages around the world. So we suppose that School of Journalism is the same for different countries and for different languages.
Perfect.
Yeah, for example, I can try to some BBC News, copy and paste here, for example. We want to see just the news. And we can read here that about that news, what is going on. And it's very fast to read just 2 sentences instead of full article.
And Andri, you can select, sorry to interrupt you can select the length, so how many sentences the summary should be.
Yeah, we can select how many sentences we want to see. And also we can help algorithm and we can select language. But in case if language is not selected, it's detected automatically. So we allow also automatical detection of language of text. Yeah, other endpoints is short text geoparser, where we can link any word or phrase or short text with countries. For example, pizza. This algorithm is based on proximity of word or terms in semantic space to given geographical cities and countries. And here you can see a similarity between them expressed in percentage. So pizza is from Italy, but a lot of pizza is also done in the United States of America. Or you can put some name of person or some company name and to get the countries linked to that companies.
Sorry, Andri, sorry to interrupt you. To retrieve that data, how many news articles have been screened, have been analyzed?
Yeah, for this algorithm was based on archive of millions of news.
Okay.
Crawled by Connexun.
Awesome.
Yeah. So, thanks. It's shortly all from my side.
All right. Thank you very much, Andri. Very interesting, as always. Please, if you're interested in our demos and you thought what you saw was interesting for you, don't forget to check out our Rapid API page or our link below redirecting also to our website where you can find our news API. And thank you all for listening.